talking.
The following contest is an Extreme Rules match. Making his way to the ring from Australia, weighing in at 221 pounds, Jay White.
With the size of this superstar's ego, I have no idea how the rest of us can even fit in the venue.
Hyperbole does not suit you, Saxton. We're looking at a high-caliber athlete right now. Ego is well-deserved.
Corey, I'm inclined to agree with you on that. Ego or not, we're looking at a special talent.
A very high-pressure situation ahead for this guy, but he is more than ready for it.
Here we go, guys.
And his opponent from Lucerne, Switzerland, weighing in at 232 pounds.
Now this competitor, they just don't know when to quit. They can be outnumbered 10-1 in a match and they'd still walk into the ring with a smile.
You know what? I'd still bet on them. They've got such incredible heart. They never give up on themselves.
Well, if you're going to be dumb, you got to be tough. A man who always considers himself main event material, an uncrowned champion. He wants to show exactly why here tonight.
I have a feeling we're about to learn a lot about these superstars and what makes them tick in this Extreme Rules match.
These matches always stress me out. An environment like this can turn a superstar into someone they never thought they'd become.
Or you could say this match reveals a superstar's true colors, Saxton. That's far more likely. Clearly had a strategy going on there with the attention on the leg.
Oh, a nasty stop to finish it off.
Oh, he retaliates. Oh, kick right to the back.
Got the single arm under him.
Suplex.
Stopping their opponent. And the forearm smash.
He's taking this to the floor now.
I don't know what he's got planned with that, but I know it ain't good.
Ooh, DDT.
Byron, a match like this is when we see how merciless someone can be. What will this come down to?
This is about who can weather the storm. A superstar can attack at will here. Everything is a weapon. That is what makes this so dangerous. It's anything goes.
There are no limits here, and it can be chilling to see the lengths someone's willing to go to destroy another human being. And by chilling, I mean beautiful.
Heading back to the ring.
Oh! Now he's been put on the defensive.
Stopped in their tracks with a knee to the gut. Cranked around into a neck breaker.
He now just looks helpless to every attack.
Yeah, he has to devise some kind of new strategy here.
German suplex. Oh, impressive counter.
Maybe he's found a new source of aggression to battle back with. intimidation. I'm not sure if it's resilience or stupidity that's going to drive you to try and come back from a move like that. Oh, this is just too far. Get some control in there.
I like this aggression, just pure brutality.
Easy.
Taking this match off the mat now. Oh, look out. Bang! Are you kidding me?
Shot after shot, then slamming their face down.
Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow.
That was just cutting off all the airflow.
There was no issue with that attack. Hey, sometimes desperate times call for desperate measures. Who are we to judge?
He's certainly looking in command at the moment.
His offense is second to none at times like this.
Fishing for something beneath the ring.
Finds the table, and guys, I do not see the table being long for this world.
He knew that was coming.
Hooked up and boom! Backdrop suplex. What a high angle right across the shoulders. He's reeling, slowly getting up. Lift off. Oh, just completely off target there.
Crashing and burning in maybe the worst way possible.
What a wrist clutch suplex. DDT!
We're undoubtedly nearing the end.
He can really stand to get back as good as he's getting right about now. Right in the face.
My God.
Hits him with the counter.
Oh, a nasty stop to finish it off. Crafty way to get out of harm there.
Both arms captured and vitriolic stomps.
Just stomping every single part of his body.
And if the first stomp doesn't send you the message, the follow-up ones definitely will.
Vicious Russian leg sweep.
Right into the barricade.
Then slamming their face down.
No clue what he hopes to find down there.
Holy, meet the barricade.
Oh, God.
Delivered into the barricade.
He's back into the ring.
The table's being set on fire!
And he heads out of the ring. No countouts, no worries.
Taking flight.
Perhaps looking for some kind of equalizer here.
That is what happens when you throw your body around. You eventually meet the pavement.
He's able to sidestep there.
Continues to focus on that region of the body.
Shirley is pinpointing that spot.
Countered it just in time. Oh, hooking up. Oh, my God.
What's coming next?
A back suplex.
Has him up for the power slam.
Countered into an inverted DDT.
He may get the 3 count right here.
I think so.
Are you kidding me? Not even a 1 count.
Looking wobbly in the corner.
Great job refocusing to reverse that.
And that failed to hit the mark. Ooh, what a damaging blow. He's turning the table.
Clothesline. And a second. This superstar building momentum. Sweeping the leg. Things are looking up.
Outside of the ring now.
What's the plan here? He's got a sledgehammer, and you better believe his opponent's name is all over it. And proving a bit slippery for him there.
Both arms captured, and vitriolic stomps. And a mud hole is being stomped. And more attacks to his core could hinder his offense.
He must be asking himself if continuing is worth it. Is the pain too much?
He's endeavored so much thus far. I guarantee he won't quit right now.
He'll be looking for the neutralizer.
Bang!
All he has to do is capitalize. Try and end it.
He kicked out at 2.
Man, oh man, what resilience.
He's got to be running on instinct alone.
You got to imagine this match has a different complexion after what we just saw. Springboard! The springboard attack fails to land.
Oh, what a knee. Swinging reverse STO plants it. Warm up the buses. This one's over.
Hangs on by a thread.
I'm pretty sure everyone in the building thought that was going to be the end of it, myself included.
And it's going to take composure now. Could just need one more big move. A running slap.
That's just insulting. This is what he feeds off of. Moments like this big match feel.
Hooked up. Right through the table.
Face first. Devastating impact through the table.
That was a statement maneuver if I ever saw one. Launching.
Moved out of the way. That could change the whole complexion of this match. Oh, my Lord.
Both arms captured and vitriolic stomps. The stomp in every single part of his body.
And now he's really falling behind.
Yeah, and every attempt to fight back's being negated.
Shot all the way to the outside. High risk.
Oh, the high risk doesn't pay off.
Good God, just a disgusting thud heard here at ringside. Ruthless and relentless forearms.
Time to go swinging.
The king of swing.
He might go all night. Ooh, bad landing.
And he's pulled the ring apron up, looking under there for something. Oh, my gosh. What a shot. Straight brutality coming right at you.
He saw that one coming.
These superstars have toiled away endlessly, and this crowd is on their feet in full appreciation.
An incredible sight to see. Oh, man.
Boom, what impact. Boom. And these attacks are spelling nothing but trouble. Answering back.
Seeing an answer for every move.
Swinging reverse STO.
Here's his window. Will he take advantage?
And picks up a monumental victory. These superstars put on quite a show. Here's another look.
Here is your winner, Jay White.
Guys, it's rare we see such a closely contested match.
Putting your body on the line like that is a huge risk. This match could have gone very differently.
But in the end, Corey, they are the ones celebrating.